Hello students, in this lecture I will discuss about the first angle as well as the third angle projection and what is the difference between these two. Now the first angle projection I will discuss first, like it is this is first I will discuss what is the pictorial presentation in the first angle. Okay, so this is the pictorial presentation. So this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane, and the object is somewhere here. Say this is the object. Okay, this is the object, it is somewhere here, and the viewer is on this side for the front. Okay, and now you can see it is projected here in VP. This is the front view and this will be the top view, say, while seeing from here. Okay, so now you can see the projections are projected. For the for the front view it is projected on vertical plane, for the top view it is projected on, okay, see, horizontal plane. Now you have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degree again. Then what will happen? This is the front view, this is the top view. Okay, so in this case what will happen? This is first angle projection, first angle projection, first angle projection. So in this case the front view will be above the XY line. So this is XY line. When you rotate HP clockwise 90 degree, this will happen, and top view will be below XY line. And for the side view, so this is the profile. Now you can see this one is the profile plane, third plane, and you have to rotate profile plane anti-clockwise 90 degree. HP you have to rotate clockwise 90 degree. Then when you see it from this side, the side view, for the side view, what will be the side view? It will be projected on this PP. This is left side view. You are seeing from the left side. So, and then what will happen? So it will be to the right of, it will be to the right of this front view. Okay, so this is the front view, the left side view will be moving to the right of this front view here. So this is the side view. Okay, so you can represent it here, front view, top view, and then left side view is to the right of front view. Okay, similarly for the third angle projection, what will be there? I will just show you first the pictorial. So it will be this one. So this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. Okay, and object is somewhere here. Okay, object is somewhere here, and this is vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane. Now again it will be viewed here. This is the front view, okay, in on VP, and on the top view is on HP. So this is top view. Okay, this is front view. When you rotate HP clockwise 90 degree, what will happen? You will get this XY. Then this is top view above XY, and front view is below XY, opposite of this first angle, first quadrant system or first angle projection. Then when you see it, now profile is here. Profile is here somewhere. So this is the profile plane. This is the profile plane. Okay. This is the profile plane. Now when you see it from this left side, for the left side view, what will happen? You have to open it up in this side. Okay, so this means to say the left side view will be to the left of the front view. Now this is the front view here. This is the front view, and this will be the left side view. Left side view will be to the left of the front view, whereas in the first angle projection, left side view is to the right of the front view. So these are some of the basic differences. Now I will accumulate these differences in a tabular form. Just go through this. This is first angle projection. And the third angle projection. Third angle projection. So what are the differences? Okay, number one is object is lying in the object is assumed to lie in first quadrant, that is above HP and in front of VP. Whereas in the third quadrant system or the third angle projection, object is assumed to be lying in the third quadrant. It is lying in the third quadrant, that is below HP and behind VP. So it is below HP and behind VP. Similarly, when I say octants are, it is for the first angle projection, it is in the first octant. Object is assumed to be lying in the first octant, where all x, y, z are positive. Whereas in the third angle projection, object is assumed to be lies in the seventh octant, that is all x, y, z are negative. Okay, all x, y, z are negative. Now third, here you can see front view is above xy line, top view is below xy line, and left hand side view, you can say left hand side view is to the right of the front view. Here you can see left hand side view is to the right of the front view. Whereas in this case, third angle projection, front view is below xy. So this is below xy line. Top view is above xy. And left hand side view is to the left of front view. You can see here left hand side view is to the left of the front view. Okay, these are some of the basic differences. Now I would like to add some more things here. Now here this screen, when you see the object in the first angle projection, it is projected. So this is the actual object, it is projected here. The screen here, it is assumed to be non-transparent. Screen is non-transparent, so that you can project it transparent. Okay, whereas in this case, when you project it here, it is behind this, it is in the third angle projection, the object is here, it is behind VP. So you cannot see, only if you can see only if it is transparent. So here the screen is transparent in the third angle, transparent, so that it is visible to this viewer. So viewer is always on this side. Okay, so in the third angle it is only visible if it is transparent. Okay, both HP and VP are transparent. Whereas in this case, because it is in front of vertical plane, so the object is visible. Okay, then it needs to be non-transparent, so that it is projected here. If it is transparent, then it cannot be projected. Okay, then one more thing I would like to add is that object here in the first angle projection, object is in between screen and the viewer. Object is in between screen and viewer. Whereas in case of this third angle projection, so object is behind screen. Screen is in between. Here you can see screen is in between viewer and the object. Whereas in the first angle projection, object is in between this screen and the viewer. But here in this case, you can see, yes, screen, or you can say plane of projection. So this is also plane of projection in the drawing language. It is screen, or you can say plane of projection. Here it is non-transparent, here it should be transparent. Okay, then this object is lying behind this plane of projection. Okay, object is in between. Here you can see the object is lying in between. This is the object lying in between this plane of projection and the viewer. Whereas in the other case, the third angle projection, object is behind the plane of projection and plane of projection is in between viewer and the object. Okay, so plane of projection, you can say plane of projection POP is in between observer and object. Okay, and the last thing I would like to add is that a symbol of the first angle and the third angle projection. The symbol of the first angle projection is this one. So this is the symbol of the first angle projection. This is, yes. So this is the symbol of the first angle projection. I will discuss this in detail as well. The inner circle is this one, belongs to this diameter. Outer circle is belongs to this diameter. Okay, this is the symbol of the first angle projection. And for the third angle projection, the symbol is, only difference is here, the circle portion is to the left. Okay, this is the circle portion. It is going to the left side of this. I will tell you why. Okay, and this is this portion is this diameter, and this portion is the other one, that. So actually this is the frustum of a cone. This is the frustum of the cone. Now this is the front view of the frustum of the cone. This is the left hand side view of this frustum of the cone. So here you can see left hand side view is to the right of the front view, means it is first angle projection. Here you can see this is left hand side view of the frustum of the cone. This is the front view of the frustum of the cone. Left hand side view is to the left of the front view. So this is, we have done already, we have discussed there. Left hand side view is to the left of the front view, whereas in this case first angle projection, left hand side view is to the right of the front view. So this thing, but this is the symbol. In the symbol form you can represent the first angle symbol, first angle projection symbol, and this is the third angle projection symbol. I hope you got it. Thank you.